Effective communication strategies for C2 Proficiency, CPE, Speaking. Hello everyone. Today, we are going to explore effective communication strategies particularly tailored for the C2 Proficiency, CPE, Speaking exam. If you're preparing for this prestigious examination, then this video will surely guide you in acing the speaking part. Let's dive right in. Communication isn't just about the words we speak but how we convey our ideas effectively. At the C2 level, it's essential to understand that your fluency, coherence, and ability to engage in a discussion are tested as much as your vocabulary and grammar. Effective communication strategies are techniques or methods you can use. 1. To clarify your thoughts before speaking. 2. To make your communication clear and easy to understand. 3. To engage your listener and hold their attention. 4. To handle interruptions, disagreements, or misunderstandings. Active listening. Pay attention to what the other person is saying. This helps you respond accurately and show examiners that you can engage in a genuine conversation. Signposting. This means using phrases to guide your listener through your response. Examples include, firstly, on the other hand, in conclusion, etc. Paraphrasing. If you're unsure about a word, don't panic. Try to explain it in a different way or use simpler words to convey the same message. Clarifying. If you don't understand a point or need more information, don't hesitate to ask. Use phrases like, "Could you explain that further?" or, "What do you mean by?" Extending answers. Rather than just giving short answers, expand on them. Offer reasons, examples, or personal experiences. Managing nervousness. Take deep breaths. Pause to think before you answer. And remember, it's okay to ask for a moment to gather your thoughts. The more you practice, the better you become. Here are a few tips. 1. Engage in group discussions. This can be with classmates, teachers, or even friends. 2. Record yourself. Listen to how you speak, notice areas of improvement, and work on them. 3. Seek feedback. Get someone proficient in English to listen to you and offer suggestions. 4. Role-play different scenarios. This will help you be prepared for various topics that might come up during the exam. And there you have it. Remember, communication is as much about listening and understanding as it is about speaking. Practice makes perfect, so keep practicing these strategies, stay confident, and you'll surely excel in the C2 Proficiency Speaking exam. All the best, and until next time, keep speaking and learning.